The Strategy Comparator module allows us to compare and analyze two strategies at the same time and on the same graph by changing the different parameters of the Black-Scholes model. In this example, we're going to start by comparing a long call strategy against the call debit spread. We will use Strategy A slot to add the metrics of a long call. In this case, we're going to select the strategy that we want on the menu. We will take the single call, and then configure the underlying price to 262. Now, we will use the Strategy B slot to configure the call debit spread, just like we did before. To correctly compare both strategies, a good criteria is to try to match the total premium paid or received in both cases. For example, the long call will be valued at 6.52, and the debit spread will be valued at 6.49, just 3 cents of difference. Now that we have finished creating both strategies, we will compare them graphically. In the graph, we can see the PLs for the 3 time frames, which are the current date, the expiration date, and the time frame of our choice for Strategy A. In the current date, the expiration date, and the time frame of our choice, but for Strategy B. With the pointers located, we can see the value of the premium at a certain underlying again for Strategy A, and the premiums for Strategy B2. In the next video, we will learn to use the comparator panel to discover the metrics of both strategies. See you there.